Dear students, once again I welcome you all to our G Square Maths channel. Hope you may be enjoying it. If you enjoy, please subscribe and share. So let us continue. In the previous videos we discussed about this values of a trigonometric ratio for a special angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We proved and we also found the values of this trigonometric ratios, six trigonometric ratios and 5 angles. So 30, 6 into 5, 30 values we proved in the previous videos, which I put that in a tabular form for your benefit. And now I am going to tell you a shortcut method how to fill these tables. Once you return the table like this, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, sec and cot. They should be always taken into that order C, C, C. In this 6 trigonometric ratios, 3 ratios are starting with the letter CO. Sine, cosine, tan, cosecant, secant and cotangent. So that's the significance of the letter CO. That I will come later. So now how to fill this? Write this in this order and angles are 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. How to fill it out? Let us take these values. I am starting from 0, then quarter, half, 3/4 and 1. 5 values and 5 boxes. I want to fit it up. How to fit it up? Take the square root of these 5 values. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 1 by 2 and this is equal to 1 by root 2 and this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. So I am having 5 values for 5 angles for 6 trigonometric ratios. What I got to take this all these 5 values as it is and put it in the 5 boxes here. 0 comes here, half comes here, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Once you have written in this order, cos is just to reverse it. 90, 0 is a complementary angles, 0 and 90 complementary, 30, 60 complementary, 45, 45 complementary. So in the next chapter we are going to see complementary angles value. In that the things will be very clear. Now as these two are complementary, it will be reversed. This is 1, root 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2. This will come same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. Once you have written both this 10 values, come to tan. Tan has a relation, we know that it is sine by cos. So that is 0 by 1, that is 0. This by this, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. This by this same number, 1. This by this 2 will get cancelled, root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. So then let us come to the next one. This very clear. What I did, I started with a 0, quarter, half, 3/4 and 1. I took the square root. I put the same 5 values in the 5 boxes. Then for cos I reverse it. For tan I just divided it. Now come to cosecant. Cosecant is, we know that the relation cosecant and sine are reciprocal to each other. Sine is equal to 1 by cosecant theta or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Then cos 30 degree cos 30 is nothing but 1 by sin 30, that is 1 by root 2, that is 2. Similarly, this and this divide, cosecant theta is a reciprocal of this, root 2 by 1, and cosecant 60 is nothing but 1 by sin 60, that is reciprocal of this, and reciprocal of this 1 by 1 is this. So once you written this, for secant also, same thing we can discuss for the cos also, 1 by 1 is this, 1 upon this one is nothing but reciprocal, these two are reciprocal, these two are reciprocal, this is 1 by 0 not defined. Or these two are complementary angle we already studied. So this, just reverse it. You will get the same thing. Cot theta and tan theta are reciprocal to each other. So cot 0 is nothing but 1 by tan 0, 1 by 0 not defined. So cot 30 is equal to reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3. This is 1, this is 1 by root 3, this is 0. So this is the way we have to complete the tables. Of course, I used to advise the children how much you are practicing with this angle value, that much you can memorize this also. It is not necessary to memorize as it is. Do the problem. Initially you can refer this angles value and then you can solve the problem. In due course of time, automatically you will remember this. In the board examination also, when I go into the board examinations, also there is a way that we will discuss how to appear for the examinations. At that time we will discuss about that. So now this tables you got to remember, this some 3-mark questions is based on this values. So now we are going to see the trigonometrical values of the complementary angles. What are the complementary angles? We know, we might have studied in geometry. Two angles are said to be complementary to each other if the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree. If alpha and beta are two angles, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then alpha and beta are said to be complementary to each other. Alpha and beta, sum of the two angles should be 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary to each other. Now, what I want to see, sin theta we know, the cos theta we know, tan theta we know, cosecant theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta we know. Now the question is sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta, cot of 90 minus theta. This value we got to find out. I already told you that 3 trigonometric ratios are starting with the 2-letter word, that is CO, 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 CO. Now let us draw a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Let theta be this angle. If theta is this angle, this is 90 minus theta. Now let us see what is sin 90 minus theta, and we will write what is cos theta also. We will see the relations. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side. For this angle, this is opposite side. For this angle, this is opposite side. Be careful. Hypotenuse will remain same. If we consider this as the angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. If we consider this as the angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Okay, let us see. Sin 90 minus theta is what? Opposite side, that is BC by AC. Also, let us find out what is cos theta from the same figure. cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. See, these two are equal. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Therefore, this can be written as cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is equal to adjacent side by this AB by AC, but whereas AB by AC is nothing but sin theta. So, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. How it is? Tan 90 is opposite side by adjacent side. That is BC by AB. Whereas BC by AB, when this angle is considered, this is adjacent side and this opposite side, and that is cot. Similarly, this is sec theta and this is tan theta. So, the value of the trigonometric complementary angles are sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. They are very easy to remember also. In practice it will come. However, I am telling how to remember this. This 90 minus theta is an angle in the first quadrant. In the higher trigonometry, you will study that the entire plane can be divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant is the fourth quadrant. 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Now in our course we are studying the angle in the first quadrant only. That is 0 to 90 degree. So 90 minus theta always lies in the first quadrant. Forget about second, third, fourth. When the angle taking the value of the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, how to find out the trigonometric ratio, that you study in the 11th standard. So, CO, sorry, I have not written one, sec, okay, this also CO. In this 6 trigonometric ratios, we are having 3 ratios which is starting with CO. Now come, when the angle is in the first quadrant, if CO is not there, add CO, that is the value of the complementary angle. In this, the complementary angle of this is CO is not there, add CO, so cos theta. Similarly this is a first quadrant, complementary angle of this, CO is there, so delete CO. This is a cosine, CO deleted, so it will become sin theta. Here CO is not there, add CO, if you are adding CO it will become cosine, so cos. Now come to this. Again, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, tan there is no CO. Add CO with that. These are simple abbreviations, how to remember the formula, that's all. Add CO with that, so it is cot. Similarly, here the cosecant, CO is there, delete CO, sec. Sec 90 minus theta, CO is not there, add CO. Cot 90 minus theta, CO is there, delete CO. So if the angle is in the first quadrant, the complementary value, if CO is there, add delete CO, if CO is not there, add CO, that's all. You will remember the formula. So let us find out some problem. For example, sin 60 by cos 30. We know sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is nothing but this. So that is equal from this table. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 is equal to, cos 30 is also root 3 by 2, sorry. That value is 1. So without substituting these values also, suppose for example, sin 65 by cos 25 degree, what will be the value? Here you know the table, so you substitute the value, you found out the value. In this also, in this problem also, let me tell you, this angle 60 and 30 is complementary. Why it is complementary? 60 plus 30 is nothing but 90 degree, so they are complementary angles. Similarly, before proceeding with this, we can find out the value by using calculator, by using trigonometric tables or log table. By using that, we can find out the value, substitute the values, you will get the answers. Now, these two angles are complementary angles. 65 plus 25 is nothing but 90. So we can convert this. Either you convert that to complementary angle or this. Don't do both. If you are converting both the angles to complementary angles, then the problem will remain as it is. You cannot solve it. Do any one of the, either numerator or denominator. Either numerator or denominator, just see the complementary values of this. So this can be written as sin 65 can be written as 90 minus 25 by cos 25. This I am keeping as it is. Otherwise you can write sin 65 cos 90 minus 65. Now come, sin 90 minus 25 is nothing but cos 25. Cos 25. So cos 25 by cos 25 is 1. So this is 1. Same way, this also we can do this. Keep sin 60 as it is, either this or this. Cos 90 minus 60. 30 degree can be written 90 minus 60. Convert that to complementary angles. So cos 90 minus 60 is nothing but CO is there. So delete CO. So it becomes sin 60. Sin 60 by sin 60 is 1. This is the way we have to. So let me take one more problem. Sin 10 degree cos 80. Let me take a problem as it is. Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. Prove that is equal to 1. So you have to do something. You have to just observe the 4 angles and which is the complementary of what. 48 and 42 they are complementary. 23 and 67 are complementary. 48 plus 42 is 90. 23 and 67 is 90. So convert this to complementary angles. Tan of 90 minus 42. And this also convert that as tan 90 minus 67. Write the other two as it is. So let us see that. Tan 90 minus 42 is a, CO is not there. So add CO, it will become cot 42. And this also cot 67. And that remain as it is. Tan 42 and tan 67. Sin and cos is reciprocal, this one reciprocal to each other. So this can be written as 1 by tan 42 and this is 1 by tan 42. So cot 42 is nothing but 1 by 42 tan 42, tan 42 tan 42 cancel. Cot 67 is nothing but 1 by tan 67, that to get cancelled. So the entire answer is equal to 1. So my dear children, this is the way we got to go about for the complementary angles. Thank you for patiently watching, and if you like, subscribe and press the bell button.